welcome back. I just bought an OMG doll from the store, and I'm gonna show you what doll I got. So I'm gonna unbox it if I can. It's so hard. Wait, is it? Yeah, I got it. So you have to get this strong part off, so you can pull the part that's open. So you pull this, and then there is what you see. I'm gonna get the doll out. Oh my gosh! Look at her, Mum.
Wow! Bowie!
That's so cute! So I just opened her up. I'm just getting the doll out, and then I'll start getting all the clothes.
What's she called?
She's called Alt Grrrl.
Alt?
It's so hard to say it. Alt Grrrl. She comes with a little stand that you can make her stand up in, so she can stand up, Mum, instead of you having to hold her up. So I just got the doll out, and she's so pretty. This is the first outfit, and she comes with another outfit that I'm going to box with you guys in a second. My mum's just trying to just get everything out and stuff. And she does actually move her legs with a click, like that. You just have to click it and stuff. It's so cool. I'm gonna finish off the unboxing with you guys. I have the doll right here. I'm gonna just put her to the side. So I'm gonna open the surprise blind bags first. And here's the closet. Well, not closet, but like place where she can put clothes. I mean, like, yeah. But I'm gonna open the clothes because I'm so excited. And yeah, so I just unpacked everything, and I'm gonna start by opening the shoes with you guys. So we got her here, and she's gonna be staying right down there. I'm gonna open the shoes up. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. If you guys can see, they have like jelly parts at the bottom, and then they have the cool laces. So let's go ahead and put them on the doll. Alright, I'm gonna put the shoes on later. It's quite hard putting all the clothes on. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. And you can also use these boxes again, so it's cool. So I'll see when I'm going to open the next box. Guys, we got home. Don't worry, guys. I didn't unbox anything else. I wanted you guys to see it with me. So right now I have my doll. And I have my earrings and sunglasses. And my shoes. And the magazine. I don't think it's a magazine, but it looks like one. So I'm going to call it a magazine. I think it's just like introducing her to me, so yeah, and to you guys, because you're cool. So we have this cool, I think it is a magazine. She's not a magazine. So I think she's a singer, and yeah, so I'm gonna start by opening this blind bag. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. There we go. Look at that. It's like a really cool jumpsuit. So I won't put it on her. I'll put it on the end with a snap. So I'll see when I do the next surprise bag. So I have the next surprise bag here. I'm going to open it up. Oh. Again, it's another piece of clothing. I don't know why it wouldn't be clothing. Come on, this is there where you put clothing. Oh, I'm keeping these cool hangers. This sick. The Barbie-dolls. So as you can see, it has this sign on the back. It was on the magazine. And then you have these cool leather stuff, and you have these 2 dots. You have buttons and everything. Is so cool. So I'm going to open the last and final bag. Let's open it up. Whoa! That is sick. It's like a cool bag. That is all the surprises with me. I've just finished, and I'm going to show you the full look of the doll. Oh, did you just see? Who cares? You're going to see now, aren't you? Oh, and all you can see is the hair. So this is what she looks like. She has a handbag, these shoes, the dress and the shorts and the jacket. It's adorable. You guys can check O.M.G Dolls out, and they're so cool. But they might be a bit expensive, but who cares? They're worth it. So I'm going to show you a little video of me playing with them. And yeah, I only have one, so I'm going to do it with Barbies. Okay, that was a tiring day in the studios. I'm going to see where little sis is. I just wish my mom could be here so I could show her everything that I got. I'm going to go and get them. Oh, this is so heavy. Let's put that down. And I'm going to get my shoe box or storage. Look at that. I got a chair. And I got one hanger. Where's the other one? Let's have a look. I better get moving everything in my bedroom so my mom can see. Well, I may as well just go and do that now. I'll see you guys when I set it all up, guys. See you then. Pajamas and get ready for bed. And then I'm going to watch my movie. That sounds like a good plan. I'll see you guys when I've done that. Go and brush my teeth. And what else do I have to do? Oh, yes. I have to brush my hair. Then watch a movie and then go to bed. I may as well just get some sweets for the movie. Yeah, that would be cool. See you guys when I'm ready for to watch the movie. Guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. See you then. And make sure to subscribe. Bye.